Let's play Frozen Feelings Factory. You all are the factory workers and I'm the foreman, the boss. And so there are a few rules to this game. The first rule is to listen to the feeling the foreman says to show. So I'm going to show sad. And rule 2 is to show the feeling with your face and your body. And then the third rule is when the foreman says, freeze and think, freeze your body and think of a time that you felt that feeling strongly. And then we're going to talk about it. So I'm feeling sad because my cat was sick, and that's the reason I feel sad. Okay, does everybody understand? All right, let's everybody stand up and we're going to play. Everybody ready? Yeah. Foreman says, frustrated. Freeze and think. Okay, is everybody thinking about the time that they were frustrated? All right. Cody, do you want to tell us about a time you were frustrated?
Mm-hmm. My friend and I fought, and I felt very, very frustrated.
Okay, I can understand that. All right, Tiffany?
Well, one part that was really frustrating was when me and my family couldn't agree on the same thing. Like, I was super frustrated. I didn't know what to do.
Okay.
I was frustrated when, at school when I couldn't understand some things and it got really frustrating.
I was really frustrated the time my brother always plays a video game every day and I can't get a turn to play it. I was frustrated when I kept getting the answers wrong on my homework and I just didn't want to do it. I just got really, really angry.
Okay, so you all gave great examples of being frustrated. You listened really well and you used your body and your face to show frustration. Very good. Let's play another round. Okay? So, foreman says, excited. Freeze and think. Are you thinking about the time that you were excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go around. Tanisha, do you want to tell us?
I was excited when I was getting my braces.
Okay.
I was very excited when I went to the Family Fun Center and got to ride that giant ride that swings you back and forth.
I was really excited to open my Christmas presents.
I was excited in the summer when my mom said we were going to China.
I got really excited when I walked downstairs one day and then it hit me. Oh, it's my birthday and everyone gave me presents.
Very good. So you all had some very exciting moments and you did very well listening to what the foreman was saying and then thinking about that and showing excitement. Good job.